Hi, my name's Stuart. Welcome to another drone video. We are, just like the last time, we are in Lower Austria. We're in a region that's north of St. Pölten, which is the capital city of Lower Austria. It is in the west of Vienna. And today we're at the Stift Göttweig, which is a monastery which has been around since the 11th century. It's been renovated and refurbished, so the thing, as you'll see it in a second, it wasn't always like this, but it generally has been existing for a long time. So this is the building we're going to film the drone with. It is without a doubt the biggest building that I've filmed yet with the drone. It's very exciting. I can't wait to send the drone up into the air. I do need to pay attention though. There are various airplanes out and about here, so I'll make sure to fly rather low and to explore it. It's ideal now because during the coronavirus this is actually closed, so that means I've got a lot more area to explore. Okay, I hope you enjoy the shots. That'll come after the intro. Okay, wow, those were quite some shots. This was a fabulous building to film. I hope you enjoyed them. There's also very nice, beautiful scenery here behind me that I've showed in the drone shots. If you liked the video, feel free to subscribe to the channel, share the video around, leave a like on it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.